Autism spectrum disorder, or ASD, is a complex and diverse condition that affects millions of people worldwide. In this video, we'll explore what ASD is, its common characteristics, and how we can support individuals with autism in our communities. ASD is a neurodevelopmental disorder that begins in early childhood and continues throughout a person's life. It impacts how a person communicates, behaves, and interacts with others. The term spectrum is used because the characteristics of autism can vary widely from one individual to another. While every individual with autism is unique, there are some common characteristics of ASD that we can recognize. Many people with autism experience challenges with social communication. This might include difficulty having back and forth conversations, limited use of gestures and facial expressions, and challenges in understanding social cues. Repetitive behaviors are also common in autism. These can include repetitive movements, an insistence on routines, and highly focused interests in specific topics or activities. Sensory sensitivities are another characteristic of ASD. Individuals may be over or under-reactive to sensory stimuli, like sounds, lights, textures, or smells. They may also have unusual sensory interests, such as sniffing objects or staring at lights. Cognitive and learning differences are also part of the autism spectrum. Some individuals with ASD may have exceptional abilities in certain areas, while others might face challenges. It's common for skills to develop unevenly, with strengths in some areas and difficulties in others. Diagnosing ASD involves a comprehensive evaluation by specialists. This process typically includes interviews with parents, observations of behavior, and standardized assessments. Early diagnosis and intervention are key to improving outcomes. Supporting individuals with ASD requires a tailored approach. Let's explore some effective strategies. Individualized education plans, or IEPs, are critical in addressing the specific needs of students with ASD. These plans set goals for communication, social skills, and academic achievement. Applied behavior analysis, or ABA, is a widely used therapy that focuses on improving specific behaviors, like social skills, communication, and adaptive learning. Speech and language therapy can help address communication challenges. Techniques like picture exchange communication systems and augmentative and alternative communication devices can be particularly helpful. Occupational therapy is another vital support, helping individuals with ASD manage sensory sensitivities and develop daily living skills. Social skills training is designed to teach social norms and cues. Structured programs, role-playing, and group activities can help individuals with ASD practice and develop these important skills. Creating a supportive environment with predictable routines and clear expectations is essential. Visual supports like schedules and timers can reduce anxiety. Parent and caregiver involvement is also crucial, reinforcing skills at home and providing consistent support. Finally, connecting with community resources, support groups, and advocacy organizations can make a significant difference. Embracing neurodiversity means recognizing and celebrating the unique strengths and abilities of individuals with autism. By fostering inclusive and accepting environments, we can help everyone thrive. Autism spectrum disorder is a complex condition, but with understanding and the right support, individuals with ASD can lead fulfilling and meaningful lives. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insights on supporting individuals with ASD and other learning differences. Together, we can make a difference in the lives of those with autism.